Top 5 mistakes when working in the engine bay. 1. Tools under the bonnet. Many people place wrenches, screwdrivers and other tools under the bonnet to keep them at hand while working. The vibration of a running engine can cause them to get caught in the rotating mechanisms, such as the drive belt pulleys or the radiator fan. These components can be damaged as a result of foreign objects getting in. Apart from damage to the units, a tool caught in the rotating parts of the engine can injure you or others nearby. 2. Objects on the battery. The battery has a flat surface on the top, so you might be tempted to place things you need for car repairs there. Placing metal objects near the battery terminals can cause a short circuit. The risk of a short circuit increases if the battery's positive terminal doesn't have a protective plastic cap.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
3. Dirty working areas. Dust and dirt often accumulate under the bonnet. The working area must be cleaned before you start the repair. This will prevent dirt from getting inside the engine. This rule is particularly relevant when replacing spark plugs. When they're removed, dirt from the spark plug welds might enter the engine. 4. Car fluids leaking on the engine. Fuel, oil, or other combustible liquids may come into contact with the engine body or exhaust manifold during a repair. The power unit and exhaust system components heat up significantly during operation. As a result, car fluids may ignite, causing a fire in the engine bay. 5. Incorrect torque when tightening fasteners. Threaded fasteners should be tightened to a specified torque. Use a torque wrench for this. Failure to do so may result in damage to both the fasteners and the components, as well as more serious faults.